Today we are making these beautiful pumpkin steamed buns. They are incredibly soft, fluffy, and carry a natural, subtle sweetness from the pumpkin. Whether for breakfast or a daily staple, they are absolutely perfect. Make sure the steamed pumpkin has cooled down until it's warm, not hot, before adding the yeast. Then mash and mix everything into a smooth pumpkin puree. If the pumpkin is too hot, it can kill the raw. Since pumpkin moisture levels vary, adjust the amount slightly based on your dough's texture. Then let the pumpkin dough rest in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. This slows down the fermentation a bit, so both doughs stay at a similar stage and are easier to shape together later. Sugar helps activate the yeast and adds flavor, but you can skip it if preferred. Knead the white dough briefly, shape it into a log. And roll it out into a large rectangle, about 3 to 4 millimeters thick. Do the exact same for the pumpkin dough. Try to keep both sheets roughly the same size so your swirl pattern turns out clean and beautiful. Place the pumpkin sheet right on top of the white sheet. Press down gently to combine. Slowly and tightly roll it up from one side into a long log. Cut the log into even pieces, about 8 centimeters wide each. Look at those beautiful layers. Start with cold water. Bring it to a boil. Then turn the heat to medium and steam for 12 minutes. Don't open the lid immediately after turning off the heat. Let them sit and rest for another 3 minutes. This keeps the buns from collapsing when they hit cold air. They are incredibly soft and delicate, filled with a gentle pumpkin aroma. Pull one apart, and you can see the perfect fluffy layers. Take a bite, and it's subtly sweet. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.